Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're a content creator and you want to level up your planning, keep track of your brand collaborations, and organize your creative workflow, today's tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do that using Notion. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a sleek, professional workspace tailored specifically for creators, all without starting from scratch. We'll be diving into the free content creator template in Notion, one of my favorite tools for staying productive and organized. Let's get right into it. First, when you're on your Notion homepage, take a look at the sidebar on the top left of your screen. You're going to see a little drop-down menu labeled More Options. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a whole menu of useful features, and what we're aiming for is the option called Browse Templates. This is a really helpful feature in Notion, especially if you don't want to build a workspace from zero. Templates give you a professionally designed starting point, kind of like walking into a furnished office versus an empty room. Once you've clicked into Browse Templates, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where things get fun. Type in Content Creator. You'll see a selection pop up, and Notion has several templates aimed at helping creators like us plan content, organize collaborations, and track tasks. Take a moment here to scroll through the options and look for one that fits your style or workflow. Every creator is different, so feel free to pick what resonates with where you are. There's no right or wrong choice. Remember, you can always tweak things later. When you spot a template you like, just click on it to get a preview. Notion lets you see a miniature version before you commit, which is handy, kind of like trying on a jacket before buying it. If you're happy with how it looks, hit the Add button and the template will instantly load into your Notion workspace. This step is pretty quick, but don't worry if it takes a moment to process, especially if you're new to Notion. Sometimes your internet connection might make things a bit slower, but that's totally normal. Now you're inside your brand new content creator workspace. You'll notice it's organized with sections for credentials, creative ideas, sponsorships, deadlines, and more. It's already designed to look professional, which is a huge time saver. You don't need to fuss over every little detail right away. Instead, start by filling in your details. For example, you can add your social media handles under credentials, jot down your brainstorms under creatives, or list out upcoming brand deals in their dedicated space. This helps keep everything centralized and super clear. One of the best things about these templates is how customizable they are. If you want to swap out the cover image, add a section, or personalize the color scheme, Notion makes it really easy. Just click into a block or section you want to edit and start tailoring it to your workflow. Maybe you want to add a calendar for your publishing dates or a checklist for content tasks. Experiment with it. It's all about making your workspace feel like it's truly yours. And that's really it. Using Notion's free content creator template is a straightforward way to organize your projects, keep track of collaborations, and give your creative process a little upgrade in professionalism. Remember, you can always go back and continue customizing as you discover what works best for you. If you hit any roadblocks, just take a breather and revisit it later. There's no rush. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and drop any questions or your own Notion tips in the comments below. I always love hearing how others use these templates. And if you want to keep improving as a creator, don't forget to subscribe for more easy workflows and behind-the-scenes productivity guides. See you next time.